Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Tech Now Review. In this video we'll be talking about OnePlus 6. Now there are lots of rumors here and there about OnePlus 6, talking about its price, its specification, and we have got other leaks too. And next Wednesday we are going to have the launch of OnePlus 6, but before that we have got so many leaks around, and along with that, with the official teaser of OnePlus 6, we have got a pretty much good idea about what we are going to be offered by OnePlus 6. So let's discuss all of it in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, make sure you follow us on Instagram. The link is given down below. Make sure you do it so that you don't miss out crazy stuffs there. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before starting the video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also click the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
So firstly, we all know about the launch date of OnePlus 6, which is 16th of May, that is next Wednesday. And this time we are going to have pop-up events in various cities starting from Hyderabad, Kolkata and more. And there you can directly go and you can purchase the OnePlus 6. Yes, obviously the stocks are limited. I think they are going to organize the event for 2 days, that is 21st and 22nd. This is for Kolkata, and for other cities also you should check out the link which is given down below. You're going to have full details about the pop-up events of OnePlus 6, so you can directly go and you can purchase OnePlus 6 from there. So if you missed out the past sold by OnePlus, you can definitely go to these pop-up events and from there you can get your hands on, and from there you can grab the new OnePlus 6. So now moving on to the next point, here we are talking about design and display, and this time we can expect a notch in OnePlus 6. Yes, like Apple iPhone 10. But it won't be as big as it is in Apple's flagship, but it will be quite smaller in size as compared. Now we already have a 6.1-inch display for OnePlus 5T, and now it is quite rumored that OnePlus 6 is going to have a 6.28-inch of display. So overall the screen size is increasing, and along with that we are going to get a water-resistant phone this time. OnePlus CEO has even confirmed that OnePlus 6 is going to have a glass design, which is totally a departure from the metal unibody of OnePlus 3, OnePlus 3T, OnePlus 5 and 5T. So this image was tweeted by OnePlus, and you can see here that the OnePlus 6 is placed under the OnePlus 5T. We cannot see much difference though, but the alert slider is invisible, which means it might have been moved to the right edge or it has been removed completely. From various leaked images, we can also see a vertically stacked rear dual camera setup, as you can see in the picture right over here, and the fingerprint scanner is just below it. There is also another image leak, and over here we can see details like the screen size will be 6.28-inch, information about its display weight and more. Now coming to the color variants of OnePlus 6, previously for OnePlus 5T, initially it was launched in the black variant, and this time for OnePlus 6 we can really expect both the black and the white variant, as recently a video has been posted by a Chinese firm where you can see that their hands are highly pixelated, but even though their hands are pixelated, you can still see the black and the white variant of the OnePlus 6. And not only that, but recently we have got an accidental picture leak of colors available for OnePlus 6. Now coming to camera and battery, it is reported in some leaked specification that the OnePlus 6 is coming with a dual lens f1.7 rear camera, which is having a 20 megapixel and a 16 megapixel sensor. But coming to the front camera, we might see some changes, as it has been rumored that OnePlus 6 might come up with a 20 megapixel front camera with f2.0, which is slightly an advancement in the camera aspect, as we have got only 16 megapixel in OnePlus 5T. And not only that, but OnePlus has also published an animation which shows that now you can control the focus of your camera with an alert slider. Now coming to the battery of OnePlus 6, from the leaked specification list we could know that it is coming up with a battery of 3450 mAh, which is slightly increased from the OnePlus 5T battery, which is 3300 mAh. And this time you can also expect wireless charging in OnePlus 6. Next, coming to processor and storage, no guesswork is required over here, because OnePlus 6 is coming with Snapdragon 845 with a 8GB of RAM, and the storage will be 256 gigabytes. It will also be available in a cheaper variant, which is with 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage, and the Android version available will be 8.1 on board. And not only that, but we can expect another variant too, which will be powered with 845 Snapdragon processor, and the internal storage will be 128 gigabytes and with a 6GB of RAM. So it can be more or less confirmed that we'll be able to see at least 2 variants for the OnePlus 6. Now coming to price, the leaks suggest that OnePlus 6 is going to be an expensive phone. Now there are various leaks as we can see regarding the price of OnePlus 6, and it is also rumored that this phone will be the most expensive phone of OnePlus. So it might happen like this, that OnePlus is leaking out various prices so that we keep a very high price expectancy, and then suddenly we get a price which is lowered compared to that price, and there is a huge demand for the purchase of OnePlus 6. It might happen, but till now whatever leaks we have seen, it clearly points out that this phone is going to be expensive comparing to the last year's devices, but we cannot be still certain about the exact price of the OnePlus 6. So the rumored price for the 64GB variant is near about 34 to 35,000. It can rise up to 36,000. It is not expected to be so, but it can be between this range only, which is $520. And talking about the 256GB variant, the price of it can range between 48,000 to 50,000, which is $749 to be approximate. So yes, it can be an expensive phone from OnePlus this time. So this time we are getting a Marvel themed Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6. Like last year we got the Star Wars version of OnePlus 5T, but as it happened with the OnePlus 5T, the Star Wars version was a limited edition. The Avengers version for the OnePlus 6 is also a limited edition as expected. This time also we can expect that the Avengers version and the normal version of OnePlus 6 will be of same price. It is expected that in the pop-up events only we can get our hands on the Avengers edition of OnePlus 6, as we can see from the OnePlus website and Amazon. And that's all for the specification, prices and the leaks of OnePlus 6. And if you know about some of the leaks and rumors which I have missed in this video, make sure to comment it down below. And now let's wait for the launch of OnePlus 6 so that all the rumors are clear. And with that, I wrap up this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, then do not forget to hit that like button down below and also to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.